Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 5 and we will be presenting about Jaslyn Clothing Store Database. My name is Dunan Zerina.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Fakih Kurniawan.
My name is Mauladi Sadina.
Content: Entity Relationship Diagram (ERD), Database Design, Semantic Design, Table Design, and Validation performed. Entity Relationship Diagram. An entity relationship diagram (ERD), also known as an entity relationship model, is a graphical representation that depicts a relationship among people, objects, places, concepts, or events within an information technology IT system. An ERD uses data modeling techniques that can help define business processes and serve as the foundation for a relational database.
Database design. Database name, Jaslyn Clothing Store Database. Number of schemas. First, goods data. 2 transaction, 3 payment, 4 buyer, 5 supplier. Numbers of table. First, table goods data. 2 table transaction, 3 table payment, 4 table buyer, 5 table supplier. Schematic diagram. Sale of goods. There is ID underscore goods, name goods, price, stock, ID underscore supplier. Next, supplier sale. ID underscore supplier, name underscore supplier, number underscore telephone, and address. And then transaction seller. ID underscore transaction, ID underscore goods, ID underscore buyer, date dex. And next, buyer sell. ID underscore buyer, name underscore buyer, number underscore telephone, gender, and address. And next, payment sell. ID underscore payment, date underscore payment, total underscore payment, and ID underscore transaction.
Table design. Access relational table design is the most important phase of a relational database. A professional table design will result in a database that will store more data, less longer, and support more concurrent user that a database with an inefficient table design. Goods data include TB goods data. Field name, goods ID, data type char with 5 description ID of goods. Field name, name goods, data type for char with 50 description name of goods. Price money, description price. Field name stock, data type in with 11 description stock of goods. Field name supplier ID, data type char with 5 description ID of suppliers. Buyer include TB buyer. Field name buyer ID, data type char with 5 description ID of buyer. Name buyer for char 50 name of buyer. Phone number, data type voucher, 50 description phone number of buyer. Gender, data type chart with 6 description gender of buyer. Address, voucher, 50 address of buyer. Suppliers include TB suppliers. Field name suppliers ID, data type chart with 5 description ID of suppliers. Field name suppliers, data type voucher with 50 description name of suppliers. Phone number voucher 50 phone number of suppliers. address voucher 50 address of supplier. Transaction include TB transaction. Field name transaction ID data type char with 5 description ID of transaction. Goods ID char 5 ID of goods. Buyer ID char 5 ID of buyer. Field name date, data type date, description date. Field name dash, data type voucher with 50 description dash of transaction. Payment include TB payment. Field payment ID, data type char with 5 description ID of payment. Field date, data type date, description date. Field total, data type money, description total. Field transaction ID, data type char with 5 description ID of transaction. Validation per format. Validation per format is for the process in ensuring data has undergone data cleansing to ensure they have data quality, that is, they are both correct and usable. ID goods include TB ID goods. Validation record ID underscore goods must unique. Method used for validation primary key, check constraints, not null. ID underscore supplier must unique. For HK, check constraints, not null. Name goods, price, stock, not null. Validation as suppliers, TB include TB suppliers. Validation record, ID supplier, ID underscore supplier must unique. Methods used for validation, primary key, check constraints, not null. Name supplier, phone number, address, not null. Buyer include TB buyer. Validation record, ID underscore buyer must be unique. Method used for validation, primary key, check constraints, not null. Gender, check constraints, not null. Name buyer, phone number, address, not null. Transaction include TB transaction. Validation record, ID underscore transaction must be unique. Method used for validation, primary key, check constraints, not null. ID underscore goods must be unique. For HK, check constraints, not null. ID underscore buyer must be unique. For HK, check constraints, not null. Date and days, not null. Payment include TB payment. Validation record, ID underscore payment must be unique. Methods used for validation, primary key, check constraints, not null. Validation record, ID underscore transaction must be unique. For HK, check constraints, not null. Date and total, not null. So many presentation from us. If there are mistakes, please forgive. Thank you.